Okay, this video is going to show you how to create a Google presentation for your math notes in class. So once you're in your Google Mail, your Gmail, you can go to Drive, which is up here on the top left. And it opens up a new tab, which brings you to your Google Drive, which happens to be empty. You can create a presentation. That's the easiest way in order to put your notes in, but also some resources from outside. So here's my new presentation. I can pick a theme if I would like and start it off. Now my presentation is going to be untitled. What I can do is do the title, comparing and scaling, and then I can put the notes from, let's say it's the third. Press OK. And then here I can do the same thing. And then putting the notes here would actually be helpful for your viewers so they know what date they're talking about. To add a slide, it's going to be on the top left-hand corner. There's this orange button. You can choose the slide layout, like you might want notes that look like this, or maybe 2 columns of notes if you would like. You can also, if you want to insert some outside resources like a video, you can kind of use this button. And like this one might be Introduction to Ratios. And say I go out on YouTube and I find this great video. Here on the Introduction to Ratios, it really explains it well, and it's only 2 minutes. I like short introductions. What I can do is I can press the share button there. And there's a couple of options. Here's the link to the video. I could also embed it. Or I can go back to my presentation and I can insert a video right here. And right here I can search YouTube, or I can just paste the YouTube URL. So here, share this video here. I'm going to right click and copy. I'm going to go back and Control V, paste it. This will give me a little snapshot of what that looks like. Yeah, that's the right video. And I can select it. And here my video is in my notes. And now your classmates can watch the video and they don't have to go and search. You can make it as big as you'd like it. So if I'm going to insert another one, remember just title. Excuse me. Here's the undo button right there. You can insert the title only. And this can be Introduction to Proportions. Then here, remember, I'm going to go to Insert, Video, and I'm going to do a YouTube URL. So here's a video. I can also copy just the URL from the top, paste it in there, and that's going to talk to me about proportions. I also have another really great video that I'd like to put in here too. This one's Ratios and Proportions Made Easy. So this video is not from YouTube. It's an eHow video, but it's an excellent video, and I want to share it. But I can't just embed it like I can with the YouTube videos. So what I have to do is work around it a little bit. I'm going to insert an image, and I'm going to choose the, like what I did was I just took a picture of the video. So you'll see it's just her talking. And it's going to upload the video. And what I'll do is I'll link it. So I'm going to insert a link to the video. So I'm going to go back to the video. I'm going to press the share button, copy the URL, go back and paste the URL here. So now if anyone wants to go to this video, all they have to do is click on the link and it'll take them to the video. It's not as beautiful as the YouTube videos, but here's a way you can get non-YouTube videos inside your presentation of your notes. Okay, so now that I have some videos, you might want to add some extra practice problems at the end of your presentation. And maybe you don't want to make up the problems. Maybe you want to find worksheets online and add links to them. So let me give you an example of what that could look like. You could write extra practice problems. So when people are looking at the notes, they have some problems to try. Okay, here what I can do is insert a table. And I can have my table be 2 columns long, and maybe we'll have like 6 different worksheets here. Move this around, and you can resize it using the corner drag. And so here I can have, I'm just going to delete this box so it doesn't say click to add text. Here I can click here and say, let's have the link to this page, mathslice.com. I'm just going to copy this URL right here. And what I can do is paste it in here. And if it's not blue and underlined, I can highlight it and press this link button right here, and it'll insert a link. And then here I could describe it. So this is an interactive worksheet where you enter your answer and submit it to check your work. So that's kind of fun. This one right here, if I'm going to copy that and then paste it in here, and remember, I can press this link button to make it an active live link. I can say this is write the ratio of the pictures. And then you might find another one and say this is like a fruit one. These worksheets are cool because they have some questions, and then at the bottom it tells you the answer, so you can check it right away to see if you're on the right track. So remember to get the link, I highlight it, and then I click the link and I write this is a fruit stand ratio worksheet with answers attached. Okay, and so you can fill all these in with different worksheets that you found to help kids find some extra practice problems. The thing about this is it saves right automatically. See how it says all changes saved in Drive, so you don't have to worry about saving it. What you do have to do is make it public. So I'm going to go over here to the share button, and it says that it's private. Only I can see it logged in as me. You're going to want to change this up here and just say public on the web. That means that when I put this on the website, all my classmates can see it. And so you're going to save that one. And then here, you're just going to press done. And that way, I can tell that it's shared with the world because of the globe right there. So now anyone can see my notes, and it's ready to embed on the website. The next video will show you how to do that.